Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to Suriname step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant, nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you take it on your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, a lot of countries are starting e-visas and many have already started. It's a very easy process, both for applicant and for the processing country too, because they can just do anything online and at their own convenience. So in front of you, I have opened e-visa site of Suriname. It has been through VFS Global. And the very first thing you got to do is to register on this website. It's very simple. You say, if you haven't done register here, click on register, put your email password, and then it's gonna send an email, a link to your email account, which you can click and verify your account. And then you can log in. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna see you over there. So after you verify and log in, this is the first thing you're gonna see eligibility criteria. It's gonna ask you if it is you are doing it for yourself or for group family. So based on your case. Now nationality is very important because this is e-visa facility is not for all nationalities. So just for example, I'm doing Canada. You gotta do yourself. First name, application type. I'm just using this. You need to do as per your case. Tourism. ISD code for your phone code that you would like to. I'm just putting samples. Just sample, you got to put your actual details. Applicant name, passport number, date of birth. Just sample, guys. You got to do it yourself. And for your case, date of arrival when you're going there. Document passport data, then disclaimer and review and pay. And then once it is done with the printout, you can go over there. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.